Good morning, everybody. In this class, we are going to discuss about the electronic configuration of Z17 elements. Electronic configuration of Z17 elements. We know the G17 elements, the elements which are placed in 17th group of periodic table called as G17 element, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. See the electronic configuration of G17, that is halogens. It is also called as halogens. The general electronic configuration of Z17, the general electronic configuration, of Z17 is NS2 NP5. N is the last cell of subcell S and subcell P, containing 2 electrons in S orbital and 5 electrons in P orbital. So that is last cell contain 7 electrons. The general electronic configuration of halogens or G17 is NS2NP5, and condensed electronic configuration is as follows. That is serial number, then elements, symbol, and last is the condensed electronic configuration. First of all, draw the tables in which first is the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise that. Then elements, first is the fluorine. First element is the fluorine. Second one is the chlorine. Third one is the bromine. What? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Then iodine. And last one is the astatine. These are the 5 elements placed in G17. Symbol of the fluorine is F, having atomic number 9. Fluorine having atomic number 9. Then symbol of chlorine is Cl, having atomic number 17. Third, bromine having symbol Br and atomic number 35. Fourth, iodine having the symbol I and atomic number 53. And last, astatine having the symbol 80 and atomic number 85. So all these same 5 elements are placed in group 17. Then see the electronic configuration of each elements individually, that is condensed electronic configuration of each elements. First, fluorine containing 9 electron, and actual electronic configuration according to the Aufbau's principle by the rule is what? 1s2, first cell containing 2 electrons, then 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. How much electrons? That is 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 6, that is 10. But we have only 9 electrons. Therefore, can distributed as 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 2p5. So this is the actual electronic configuration of fluorine. But we want the condensed electronic configuration. This is actually electronic configuration of fluorine, but condensed electronic configuration is to what? The nearest zero group elements. The nearest zero group elements. In this electronic configuration, this 1s2 can indicate the electronic configuration of helium. So the condensed electronic configuration of fluorine is helium, that is 1s2, then 2s2 2p5. So it indicates 2s2 2p5, that is ns2np5. So this is a fluorine. Then second one is the chlorine, having 17 electron. Actual electronic configuration is 1s2, then 2s2 2p6. These are the two sets. Then 3s2 3p5. 3s2 3p5. So 2 plus 2, that is 4 plus 6 10, 12 plus 17. First cell containing 2 electrons, second cell containing 8 electrons. And in this electronic configuration, the nearest electronic configuration by refers with the zero group element is what? You know the zero group elements: helium, then neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radons. These are the zero group elements which having the atomic number helium 2, neon 10, then argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54, and 86. So which are the zero group elements are applicable for the G17 elements? So chlorine containing 17 electrons, out of that 2 electrons in first cell, then 8 electrons in second cell. So total electrons are the 10 electrons. These are the 10 electrons, which is shows the neon is a zero group elements. So condensed electronic configuration is what? Condensed electronic configuration neon, then after that neon 3s2 3p5. 3s2 3p5. Likewise that we get the condensed electronic configuration. Suppose fluorine having neon nearest zero group, then chlorine possess neon, fluorine possess helium, chlorine possess neon, then bromine possess argon, then iodine possess krypton, and astatine possess xenon. First of all, take the all nearest zero group elements of each: fluorine, helium, chlorine, neon, then bromine, argon, then iodine, krypton, astatine, xenon. After that, it indicates second cell 2s 2p, 3s 3p. Here 4s, then 4p, 4s and 4p. But bromine containing 35 electrons. Bromine containing 35 electrons. Out of that 45, 18 goes to the argon, 18. Then here, after that, 4s containing 2 electrons and 4p containing 5 electrons. So this 18 plus 2, 20 plus 5, 25. But remaining electrons goes to what? 3d10. 3d10. See again. Bromine containing 35. Out of that, argons possess 18 electron. That is zero group element. 18 plus 10, that is 28. Plus 2, 30. Plus 5, 35. So this is the condensed electronic configuration of bromine. After that, iodine. Iodine possesses 53 electrons. Out of that, krypton is the nearest zero group element, having the 36. After that, 4d10, then 5s2, 5p5. Can take alternate. Here second cell, third cell, fourth, fifth. Is to what? 2s 2p, 3s 3p, 4s 4p, 5p, 5s 5p. Again see the here 36 of xenon, 36 plus 10, 46 plus 2, 48 plus 5, that is 53. So this is the condensed electronic configuration of iodine. And last is the astatine containing 85 electron. We don't use the radon, that is containing 86, but we want the xenon having the 54. So xenon is the 54. After that 4F14, then 5D10 next cell, then 6S2, 6P5. Xenon having 54, 54 plus 14, 54 plus 14, that is 68. Here 10, 78, then 2, that is 80 plus 5, 85. So this is the condensed electronic configuration of what? G17 elements. Can understand the 2s, 2p, s containing 2, p containing 5. Here 3s, 3p, 4s, 4p, 5s, 5p, and 6s, 6p. So indicates NS2, NP5. Shortly, general electronic configuration of each elements. After the electronic configuration, see the next concept of halogens, that is atomic and physical properties of halogens. Atomic and physical properties of halogens. Atomic and physical properties of halogens means G17 elements. So first property, that is atomic and ionic radii. First, atomic and ionic radii of G17. Question may be asked for board pattern. Explain atomic and ionic radii of G17 elements. At that time, first of all, we give the definition of atomic radii. Atomic radii. You know atom, the center point of atom, and any points on the last cell of that atom, that distance is called as atomic radii. The distance between center of atom to any point on last cell, the distance between center of atom to any point on last cell of that atom is called as atomic radii. So this is the definition of atomic radii. Then see the actual trend of atomic and ionic radii in halogens. Second point, the atomic and ionic radii increases down the group in G17 elements. You know G17 elements, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Actually, atomic radii from fluorine to astatine means to down the group can be increases. So first point, the atomic and ionic radii increases down the group in G17 elements from fluorine to astatine. Why? It is due to It is due to increase in number of quantum cells. Number of quantum cells from top to bottom, from fluorine to astatine. Number of quantum cells can be increases. By increasing the number of quantum cells, its atomic and ionic radii also increases. So this is the reason behind increasing atomic and ionic radii. It is due to increase in number of quantum cells. So this is a trend of G17 in groups. What about the periods? Across the period, you start from left to right. Across the period, atomic and ionic radii decreases when we move from left to right in periodic table. Across the period, then atomic radii decreases. Why? It is due to increase in nuclear charge and increase in atomic number. It is due to increase in atomic number, and increase in effective nuclear charge. So this is accurate answer for the atomic and ionic radii of G17 for 2 marks. First point, this is a definition, not required. First, this point can shows the trend the atomic and ionic radii increases down the group. Half mark. Then its reason, it is due to increase in quantum cells. Half mark. Then across the period, atomic and ionic radii decreases, carries half mark. Why it decreases? It is due to increase in atomic number and increase in effective nuclear charge. So these are the points included for atomic and ionic radii down the group and along the periods. Halogens, that is G17, have smallest atomic radii in their respective periods. Halogens, that is G17, have smallest atomic. G17 have the smallest atomic radii in their respective elements, respective periods. So these are the points included for the atomic and ionic radii. Then this is a table for that atomic and ionic radii. Here elements, then atomic radii, last column is the ionic radii. Atomic and ionic radii. First, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. See the atomic radii. Fluorine, atomic radii of fluorine is a 64. Atomic radii of fluorine is a 64 picometer. Then chlorine possesses 99 picometer. Bromine possesses 114, that is 114 picometer, and iodine possesses 133. But astatine does not shows the atomic and ionic radii. Fluorine 64, chlorine 99, then bromine 114, then iodine 133. Then ionic radii 133 picometer of fluorine, 133 picometer. then 184, 196 of the bromine, and last possess 220 picometer. So these are the atomic and ionic radii of Z17 elements, that is called as halogens. So see the trends down the group. Atomic radii increases from 64 to 133. Why? With increase in number of quantum cells. Then ionic radii also increases from 133 to the 220. What is the reason? With increase in number of quantum cells. So along the periods it becomes decreases when we are moves from left to